What's up, Moto Talk? So we got the 2024 Husky motocross lineup update yesterday. Right here it is. It's kind of what we expected, which was virtually no changes. Same old stuff, revised suspension settings, something about the graphics, a different gripper seat cover. The only major difference I saw here was about the quick shift. I had a lot of people asking last year, does the quick shift come on the XCFs? Does it come on the FXs or whatever? And the answer was no, it does not. But Husky says in this release that for the 6-speed FX 350, they are now going to be eligible for the quick shifter. So it's just going to be a software update, and you're going to get the quick shifter. It didn't mention the 250, so I have no idea why they wouldn't include the 250. And they also haven't included the 450, which, you know, that's a different engine and transmission, but I would think they would probably include those in the future. But for now, you FX 350 guys, you're getting a quick shifter. Besides that, same bike as last year.